ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्।
सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अथ पुरुषो ह वै नारायणो कामयतः प्रजा सृजेयेति नारायणात् प्राणो जायते मनः सर्वेन्द्रियाणि च खं वायुर्ज्योतिरापः पृथिवी विश्वस्य धारिणी नारायणात् ब्रह्मा जायते नारायणाद् रुद्रो जायते नारायणादिन्द्रो जायते नारायणात् प्रजापतयः प्रजायन्ते नारायणाद्द्वादशादित्या रुद्रावसवः सर्वाणि च छन्दागुंसि नारायणाद्देव समुत्पद्यन्ते नारायणे प्रवर्तन्ते नारायणे प्रलीयन्ते। ॐ अथ नित्यो नारायणः ब्रह्मा नारायणः शिवश्च नारायणः शक्रश्च नारायणः द्यावा पृथिव्यौ च नारायणः कालश्च नारायणः दिशश्च नारायणः ऊर्ध्वश्च नारायणः अधश्च नारायणः अन्तर्बहिश्च नारायणः नारायण एवेदगुं सर्वं यद्भूतं यच्च भव्यम् निष्कलो निरञ्जनो निर्विकल्पो निराख्यातः शुद्धो देव एको नारायणः न द्वितीयोऽस्ति कश्चित् य एवं वेद स विष्णुरेव भवति स विष्णुरेव भवति। ओमित्यग्रे व्याहरेत् नम इति पश्चात् नारायणायेत्युपरिष्टात् ओमित्येकाक्षरम् नम इति द्वे अक्षरे नारायणायेति पञ्चाक्षराणि एतद्वै नारायणस्याष्टाक्षरम् पदम् यो ह वै नारायणस्याष्टाक्षरम् पदमध्येति अनबभ्रुवः सर्वमायुरेति विन्दते प्राजापत्यगुं रायस्पोषं गौपत्यम् ततो मृतत्वमश्नुते ततो मृतत्वमश्नुत इति य एवं वेद प्रत्यगानन्दं ब्रह्म पुरुषं प्रणवस्वरूपम् अकार उकार मकार इति तानेकदा समभरत्तदेतदोमिति यमुक्त्वा मुच्यते योगी जन्म संसार बन्धनात्। ॐ नमो नारायणायेति मन्त्रोपासकः वैकुण्ठभुवनलोकं गमिष्यति तदिदं परं पुण्डरीकं विज्ञानघनं तस्मात् तदिदावन्मात्रं ब्रह्मण्यो देवकी पुत्रो ब्रह्मण्यो मधुसूदनो सर्वभूतस्तमेकं नारायणं कारणरूपमकार परब्रह्मोम् एतदथर्वशिरो योधीते प्रातरधीयानो रात्रिकृतं पापं नाशयति सायमधीयानो दिवसकृतं पापं नाशयति माद्यन्दिनमादित्याभिमुखो धीयान पञ्चपातकोपपातकात् प्रमुच्यते सर्ववेदपारायण पुण्यं लभते नारायण सायुज्यमवाप्नोति नारायण सायुज्यमवाप्नोति य एवं वेद इत्युपनिषत् सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ योपां पुष्पं वेद पुष्पवान् प्रजावान् पशुमान् भवति चन्द्रमा वा अपां पुष्पम् पुष्पवान् प्रजावान् पशुमान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति अग्निर्वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यो अग्निरायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वा अग्निरायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति वायुर्वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यो वायोरायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै वायोरायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति असौ वै तपन्नपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यो मुष्यतपत आयतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वा अमुष्यतपत आयतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति चन्द्रमा वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यश्चन्द्रमस आयतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै चन्द्रमस आयतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति नक्षत्राणि वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यो नक्षत्राणामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै नक्षत्राणामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति पर्जन्यो वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यः पर्जन्यस्यायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै पर्जन्यस्यायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति संवत्सरो वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यः संवत्सरस्यायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै संवत्सरस्यायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योऽप्सुनावं प्रतिष्ठितां वेद प्रत्येव तिष्ठति राजाधिराजाय प्रसंयसाहिने नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय कुर्महे समे कामां कामकामाय मह्यम् कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददातु कुबेराय वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ पुरुषस्य विद्मसहस्राक्षस्य महादेवस्य धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात् तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात् तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो नन्दिः प्रचोदयात् तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे चक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो नन्दिः प्रचोदयात् तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महासेनाय धीमहि तन्नः षण्मुखः प्रचोदयात् तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे सुवर्णपक्षाय धीमहि तन्नो गरुडः प्रचोदयात् वेदात्मनाय विद्महे हिरण्यगर्भाय धीमहि तन्नो ब्रह्म प्रचोदयात् नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णुः प्रचोदयात् वज्रनखाय विद्महे तीक्ष्णदग्गुष्ट्राय धीमहि तन्नो नारसिंहः प्रचोदयात् भास्कराय विद्महे महद्युतिकराय धीमहि तन्नो आदित्यः प्रचोदयात् वैश्वानराय विद्महे लालीलाय धीमहि तन्नो अग्निः प्रचोदयात् कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गिः प्रचोदयात् ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
पशुपतितनया बालगजानन
पशुपतितनया बालगजानन
पशुपतितनया बालगजानन
पशुपतितनया बालगजानन
तुमको विघ्नविनाश गणेश
तुमको विघ्नविनाश गणेश
तुमको विघ्नविनाश
तुमको विघ्नविनाश
हे शिवनन्दन पाहि गजानन
हे शिवनन्दन पाहि गजानन
हे शिवनन्दन पाहि गजानन
हे शिवनन्दन पाहि गजानन
विद्या बुद्धिप्रदाता
विद्या बुद्धिप्रदाता
विद्या बुद्धिप्रदाता
विद्या बुद्धिप्रदाता
मंगलकर हे मंगलकर हे
मंगलकर हे मंगलकर हे
मंगलकर हे मंगलकर हे
मंगलकर हे मंगलकर हे
सुंदर साई गणेश गणेश
सुंदर साई गणेश गणेश
सुंदर साई गणेश
सुंदर साई गणेश
पशुपतितनया बालगजानन
पशुपतितनया बालगजानन
तुमको विघ्नविनाश गणेश
तुमको विघ्नविनाश गणेश
तुमको विघ्नविनाश
तुमको विघ्नविनाश
हे शिवनन्दन पाहि गजानन
हे शिवनन्दन पाहि गजानन
पाहि गजानन
पाहि गजानन
हे शिवनन्दन पाहि गजानन
हे शिवनन्दन पाहि गजानन
विद्या बुद्धिप्रदाता
विद्या बुद्धिप्रदाता
विद्या बुद्धिप्रदाता सुंदर साई गणेश
पशुपति तनया बाल गजानन तुम हो विघ्न विनाश गणेश तुम हो विघ्न विनाश
साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा 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 तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम 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 साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा 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 तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम 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 मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा मुझे मुक्ति 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 दो मेरे साई शिवा साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा मुझे मुक्ति 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 दो मेरे साई शिवा साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा शिरडी साई पति साई हमको दीजो प्रेमामृत धारा प्रेमामृत धारा साई पति साई हमको दीजो गानामृत में भाव भी दीजो प्रेम साई भगवान प्रेम साई भगवान गानामृत में भाव भी दीजो प्रेम साई भगवान प्रेम साई भगवान गानामृत में भाव भी दीजो प्रेम साई भगवान प्रेम साई भगवान गानामृत में भाव भी दीजो प्रेम साई भगवान प्रेम साई भगवान शिरडी साई पति साई हमको दीजो प्रेमामृत धारा प्रेमामृत धारा
My humble salutations at the lotus feet of our loving and divine Mother Sai. Om Sri Sai Ram, embodiments of love, and a warm Sai welcome to our program. It is a celebration focusing on women's rights in the role of mother, daughter, sister, and homemaker. She is a woman of courage and determination. Some women have played an extraordinary role in the history of our country. Every woman's success should be an inspiration to other women. Swami says, women are the Shakti power, and it's an honor to be born as a woman. Her patience, compassion, love, and forbearance brings prosperity to every home. This is woman's power. Do enjoy the rest of the month dedicated to us, women. Jai Sai Ram.
My pranams at the lotus feet of our dearest Lord, Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. I extend humble greetings and my loving Sairams to all. Taking a look into the history and the significance of Women's Day in South Africa, August is Women's Month, the time we celebrate women for their strength, resilience, and contribution to society. The 9th of August, National Women's Day, is so much more than a day off for us to relax and be spoilt. It is an important day in our nation's history that is commemorated with a public holiday, and for good reason. It was on this day 65 years ago that 4 brave women, Rahima Musa, Helen Joseph, Lillian Ngoyi, and Sophie Williams, appalled by the plight of black women in our country, led a march to petition against a law passed for people of color to carry an identification document to enter a white-only area. It was one of the most detested laws of our country. The march was a non-violent and powerful display of strength in our women. The multitude of women was described as truly magnificent, some with babies on their backs, and Indian women in their colorful saris serving to reflect the South African diversity. Thus, sisters and brothers, it is on this day that women are honored and remembered with gratitude for their eminent role in the family and in society as instruments of love, compassion, righteousness, and self-sacrifice. Women in their nurturing have the power to change the world. In a divine discourse on the 19th of November 1995, Swami said, "Among human beings, it is a privilege to be born a woman." Swami described women as exemplars of selfless love and peace, qualities desperately needed in our challenging world today. Swami encouraged women to take up the reins of leadership and bring peace and prosperity by leading ideal and dharmic lives, thus being the instruments of positive change in the world. It is therefore important that women give special time to their own education and spiritual development. Swami says that while caring for and not neglecting the home, women may participate in society and excel at leadership roles. He supports education of women and urges us to be proud of being a woman and our achievements. It is our duty as women to work on our self-confidence and develop self-respect, and to work at our capacity and finding the necessary balance in our lives. Women are indeed anchors in society, and we draw inspiration from our great mothers, such as Mother Ishwarama, Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba's mother. Swami, being the exemplary son, fulfilled the loving wishes of his mother by providing schools for the children in Putrapati, health care for the villagers, and clean drinking water, which later led to the highly successful Educare, Medicare, and Sociocare programs. Such was the spirit of sacrifice we find in Mother Ishwarama. Not only did she give up her child to the world, Mother ensured the community's well-being. This act of pure love, together with our Lord's divine teachings, inspires millions of women throughout the world in the Sri Satya Sai organization to carry forth these wishes successfully in the fields of Educare, Medicare, and Sociocare. The Ladies' Wing in the Sri Satya Sai organization is participating enthusiastically in a number of service activities and in various roles within the education, seva, and devotional wings. We are the feminine energy in creation. We are all divine mothers of love. If we want to change the world, let it start in our homes and let that love expand to all of creation. Let us pray that our beloved Lord blesses us in this mission and inspires us to work towards the goal of Dharma for women, that we realize the reason for our existence, to love and be loved, and through this become instruments of peace in this world. I pray the Lord blesses and guides all of humanity with His love and compassion. Jai Sai Ram.
जननी जननी सत्य साई शुभ जननी
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 जगत्तारिणी परिपूर्णी साईश्वरी जननी सत्यस्वरूपिणि जननी
सत्यस्वरूपिणि जननी
धर्मसंवर्धनि जननी
धर्मसंवर्धनि जननी
शान्तस्वरूपिणि जननी
शान्तस्वरूपिणि जननी
प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी
प्रेमप्रदायिनि जननी
जननी सत्यसाई शुभ जननी
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 सत्यसाई शुभ जननी जननी सत्यसाई शुभ जननी 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 सत्यसाई शुभ जननी 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 सत्यसाई शुभ जननी 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 सत्यसाई शुभ जननी
Our humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Lord Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Strong, resilient and beautiful on the outside, soft, warm and compassionate too, she fills up her home with the aroma of delicious meals, her love and her magical touch. Her child's first best friend, first guru and safety nest. She carries out her duties ever so lovingly despite all the challenges she faces, committed as a life partner and devoted to God. Her devotion is insurmountable. The ability to whip up any meal in a few minutes and to fix bruises, mend a button and scare off gremlins and ogres too. It certainly is an honor to be a woman.
Women are all unique, and that's the beauty of it. It's about strength, mutual support, and love. We have all been given the gift of love, of serving God and bringing others to God. Love is the key to all our existence. We grow in love, we expand that love, we practice love, we strengthen love, and we merge in love, which is God. The heart of a woman is filled with compassion, and we have the ability to love the unlovable and forgive the unforgivable. This, my dear sisters, is what women do every day. These gifts that God has given us are majestic, and therefore it is truly an honor to be born a woman.
Women are being recognized and honored nationally on the 9th of August every year. Our beloved Swami has elevated the status of women by decreeing the 19th of each month as Ladies' Day. In our organization, women have actively participated in all activities, being social care, educare, and Medicare. In the Satya Sai schools have played the most prominent role in furthering the aims of educare. In my humble experience with the Satya Sai School Newcastle, women have enthusiastically grasped the opportunity and worked tirelessly in making the school a success.
Being Women's Month, the time has come again as a reminder for us to reflect on why it is an honor to be a woman. We should grow brave by these reflections and continue to be role models. As a Sai woman, I am thankful for the miraculous gift of being born a woman. Swami reminds us how special we are. We have been chosen by God to become one in creation. The journey that we all embark on is a personal one. Along this journey, it has made me realize my self-worth. It has also granted me the opportunity to become closer to my avatar by showing a lot of love and respect. Let us continue with the blessings of Swami, His grace and His teachings to empower all women.
Women have been blessed with the miraculous gift of our nurturing love. This is a gift given to us by our Creator that surpasses all other gifts given to mankind. We have a strong sense of identity which helps us in building up people in our lives and lifting others up. The tenderness of a woman's love can accept, forgive, and remain silent even in situations of neglect. This is an honor far beyond any material accomplishments or possessions. Wear this honor gracefully always.
How can anyone fail to recognize the role women plays in our society? It is not only a privilege but an honor to be born a woman. Like Fatima Mir, Ella Gandhi, 16-year-old Valyama, and many more to mention. We thank Swami today for honoring our ladies, giving us the 19th of every month. I thank South Africa for honoring our women as well, with the month of August as Women's Month too. A woman is a master in her responsibilities. She does her duty with love and dedication, builds a strong foundation for her children and family.
Women are born for a reason. It's a privilege to be who you are. Your real job is to hear what your calling is, honor it and share it in service to others. Strong women are forged through the challenges of life, growing mentally and emotionally. God could not be everywhere, so He made mothers. Motherhood is the most precious gift of God. A woman's greatest honor is to look at her son with pride and know that she's helped him become a man. A natural role is to be a pillar to the family. Remember, all the great saints, heroes and warriors were born to women who made them great. The key to success is simple enjoyment, liking yourself and liking what you do and how you do it. We are sisters, healers, mothers and goddess warriors. Swami wants us to have good qualities, to believe and be content in oneself, have pure thoughts, faith, compassion, sacrifice and love.
The Vedas declare that where women are honored and esteemed, that's where divinity is present with all of its potency. Women are usually described as Adi Shakti, the primal source of all energy. We should be proud that we are able to bear children so human existence can continue. We show unconditional love, take care of our homes and our partners, develop spiritually, and we still make our mark in the corporate world. The feminine energy is caring, nurturing, and a nourishing energy. So despite all the turmoil that's currently happening in the world today, if we want to move to the golden age that Swami spoke about, we must learn to respect and nourish the feminine energy or Shakti within all of us. As women, we have a responsibility to help mankind to develop the principle of Shakti.
It is truly an honor being born a woman, but such a blessing and a gift to be born a woman in this golden age of sun. When Swami puts so much of his trust in us women, he has given us all the tools and insight to go out and serve and empower everyone around us. Women are pillars of strength and knowledge and are filled with compassion and empathy, forgiveness and unconditional love. They excel at everything that they do. With the grace of Swami, we are mothers and can instill his teachings in our families. Swami says that the mother is the pillar of the home, of society, of the nation, and of humanity. Swami loves all of mankind, but he has a special duty given to women so that they can forge forward with pure love. Swami says, when there is harmony in the home, there will be order in the nation. When there is order in the nation, there will be peace in the world. I would like to wish all the mothers and sisters of all ages a very happy Women's Day.
Over time, women have fought a silent battle, a battle to claim one's own identity, freedom and equality. It means you have the wisdom to be grateful for what you have, while still being hungry enough for growth. The privilege of being a woman to me means the gift of being a wife, a mother, grandmother and friend. Womanhood is strength, it is tenderness, As a woman, one of the greatest privileges is that life begins with us. Our families are nourished through our hands. The love a woman instills in a family is what gets put in the universe. It is her reflection and teachings that echo through time. My truth and inner peace comes from being in our Swami's path. He has given me the courage and strength to stand strong through the hardships and pain, but also the happiness life has awarded me. Through his love and blessings, I am able to be the best woman I can be. Our Swami has shone light on the importance of being a woman. Swami has blessed us with immense strength, which enables us to strive and conquer all obstacles which come our way. With each day comes new challenges, and we put on our best expression. Even though things are not going our way, and we still forge ahead. Jai Sai Ram.
Swami has become my best friend and my true source of inspiration, support, and unwavering love in any uncertainty or doubtful situations. I cannot imagine life without him, and for this I am extremely grateful.
My journey with Bhagavan had started at the age of 6 when I was enrolled in Bal Vikas, and learning about Swami had been the best thing that has ever happened to me. Bal Vikas had such an important role in developing my character, and I loved the classes so much that it was a dream of mine to become a Bal Vikas Guru so that I can transform lives just like how my Guru had transformed mine. And with Swami's grace, in 2019, I graduated as a Bal Vikas Guru.
Swami has taught me unconditional love. I have spent significant years of my life being part of the Sai organization, and Swami has forever protected and guarded my family and we are forever grateful for this divine miracle in our lives. Swami prepares me for the highest truth every single day, that he and I are one.
At the early tender age of 10 years old, I started Balvi classes, learning and practicing the teachings of Sri Satya Sai Baba. Swami taught me many life skills and normal skills that I never knew I would need in my life, such as eating habits, sleeping habits, meditation, yoga exercises, and to always be humble.
One of Swami's teachings that has a great impact on my life is one of the 10 principles: to honor and respect all religions as a pathway to God.
Growing up, I have always heard the infamous quote, "Love all, serve all, help ever, hurt never." And I think that this has always pushed me to do good and be good. It has also allowed me to always stop and think about whether what I'm about to do or say is helpful or hurtful. So I would say that Swami's teachings have definitely helped me become more mindful towards others.
I would like to pay gratitude to my Guru, Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba, for helping me foster teachings to love all, serve all, help ever, hurt never. In these Kali Yuga times of darkness and unrest, I was given the opportunity to practice and experience the teachings of my Guru, to help assist outreach projects which made an impact on the community. The love and energy that I felt in these several activities have touched me in such a way to be able to see the light in places that I never knew existed. It removed all fear, it gave me hope, and allowed me to see the spirit of togetherness, unity, and its true potential.
The transformation that I've undergone is still in process, but I do believe that Swami is really allowing me to purify my heart, have my ego in check, and just continuously driving forth that I make the right decisions based on my happiness. I think that having Swami gives us a sense of ease, knowing that everything will truly be taken care of in terms of what we want and set out for ourselves, especially as young adults. I think we always feel like uncertain about things, but knowing that he is there makes it so much bearable. Thank you, and Jai Sai Ram.
Ativa परमेश्वर
अंतर्यामी प्रभु परमेश्वर
अंतर्यामी प्रभु परमेश्वर
माया मानुष वेश लीलाधर
माया मानुष वेश लीलाधर
माया मानुष वेश लीलाधर
माया मानुष वेश लीलाधर
केशवा माधवा जय देवा मधुसूदना
केशवा माधवा जय देवा मधुसूदना
नेत्रकमलदल अतीव मनोहर
नेत्रकमलदल अतीव मनोहर
अंतर्यामी प्रभु परमेश्वर
अंतर्यामी प्रभु परमेश्वर
माया मानुष वेश लीलाधर
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 केशवा माधवा जय देवा मधुसूदना हर गंगा जटाधर गौरी शंकर गिरिजामन रमणा
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 हर मृत्युंजय महादेव महेश्वर मंगल शुभ चरणा
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 नंदिवाहना नागभूषणा
नंदिवाहना नागभूषणा
नंदिवाहना नागभूषणा
नंदिवाहना नागभूषणा
निरुपम गुण सदना
निरुपम गुण सदना
साई निरुपम गुण सदना
साई निरुपम गुण सदना
नटन मनोहर नीलकंठ साई
नटन मनोहर नीलकंठ साई
नटन मनोहर नीलकंठ साई
नटन मनोहर नीलकंठ साई
नीरज दल नयना
नीरज दल नयना
साई नीरज दल नयना
साई नीरज दल नयना
हर गंग जटाधर गौरी शंकर गिरिजामन रमणा
हर गंगा जटाधर गौरी शंकर गिरिजामन रमणा
हर मृत्युंजय महादेव महेश्वर मंगल शुभ चरणा
हर मृत्युंजय महादेव महेश्वर मंगल शुभ चरणा
नंदिवाहना नागभूषणा
नंदिवाहना नागभूषणा
निरुपम गुण सदना
निरुपम गुण
नीरजदलनयना
नीरजदलनयना
साई नीरजदलनयना
साई नीरजदलनयना
हर गङ्गजटाधर गौरी शङ्कर गिरिजामनरमणा मधुरमोहन घनश्याम सुन्दर साई आनन्दप्रदायी रासिबोई मधुरमोहन घनश्याम सुन्दर साई
असतो मा सत्यमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया.
I offer my most prayerful pranams and salutations at the divine lotus feet of our ever compassionate and merciful Lord and God, Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Respected elders, loving brothers and sisters, and dearest children, I greet you with love and humility. Om Shri Sai Ram. I trust that with Swami's grace, you and your beautiful families are keeping well and safe. Dear embodiments of love, I am indeed honored and privileged to share with you this week's announcements. The Sri Satya Sai Global Council has acquired some oxygen concentrators and is readily available via our National Seva team. Should you or your loved ones be in need of the oxygen concentrator, please do contact your center president. For the build-up of the auspicious occasion, Krishna Janam Astami, we will be sharing daily audio episodes on the story of the Mahabharata to enlighten and inspire us to connect with our inherent divinity. We will also be having an inspiring online study circle of this great epic, the Mahabharata, on the 29th of August, commencing from 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. There will be a National Seva meeting taking place on the 13th of August at 6:30 p.m. All devotees are most welcome to attend this meeting. Dear brothers and sisters, our infographic for this week is, quote, "Whenever I talk about Shri Krishna, people ask that why did not Shri Krishna stop the war? Why had so many people have to die for the sake of a kingdom?" My answer always is that God does not interfere with the course of nature. God never stops the natural course of things. It is only that God teaches people lessons from the course of nature so that people become better human beings. The greatest lessons from the Mahabharata is God never leaves those who pray sincerely and give up their lives for Him. Unquote. Sri Satya Sai Baba. I do hope you have enjoyed our special rendition on Women's Day. Stay safe and stay blessed. Jai Sai Ram.
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా,
embodiments of love.
ప్రాచీన కాలం నుండి ఈ హృదయాన్ని పవిత్రముగా గావించుకుంటూ వచ్చారు పవిత్రమైనటువంటి యొక్క స్త్రీలు.
Women from time immemorial have tried to keep up this purity of the heart.
గత జీవుడగు పతిని బ్రతికించి ఎముగల్చే సావిత్రి భారత సాధ్విగాదే. చచ్చినటువంటి యొక్క భర్తను బ్రతికించినటువంటి స్త్రీలు ఉన్నారు, కానీ చచ్చినటువంటి భార్యను బ్రతికించినటువంటి పురుషుడు ఎక్కడా కనిపించడం లేదు. ఏ చరిత్రలో కూడా మనకు తెలియదు.
In the whole of history, there have been women who brought back, like Savitri, dead husbands to life, but there is not a single example of a man who has brought back to life a dead wife.
ఈనాడు ఆధునిక యుగంగా మారటం చేత అనేక రకమైనటువంటి యొక్క చర్యలు ఆధునికంగానే చేరిపోతున్నాయి.
Because of the changes of this modern world, all newfangled thoughts,
సద్భావములకు, సచ్చర్యలకు, సచ్చింతనలకు చక్కని అవకాశమే కనిపించడం లేదు.
There is no place whatsoever for good thoughts, for good actions, for any type of good deeds.
కనుక ఈనాడు స్త్రీలకు ఈ పవిత్రమైనటువంటి యొక్క భావనలు అభివృద్ధి పరచుకొని దీనికి సత్యసాయి సంస్థలని, సత్యసాయి మహిళా విభాగములని దీనికి ఏర్పరిచి ఈ సత్సంగ ప్రభావాన్ని జగమునకు చాటే నిమిత్తమై దీనికి ఏర్పరుస్తూ వచ్చాం.
For the purpose of increasing the recognition of these values, and then it is the woman who should uphold it, and so there are various organizations of Sri Satya Sai like Mahila Vibhag and so many other type of things.
కనుకనే స్త్రీలు కూడినప్పుడే జగత్తంతా కూడాను ఒక పవిత్రమైనటువంటి దేశంగా రూపొందుతుంది.
It's only when the women get together that the whole nation becomes something exemplary.
ఈ స్త్రీల యొక్క సంఘము ఎంతనో గొప్ప విలువను సంపాదించింది.
So this society of women lends it a lot of dignity.
ఇటువంటి స్త్రీల యొక్క తత్వమును ఈనాటి పురుషులు కూడాను గుర్తించడానికి ప్రయత్నించటం లేదు.
So men should make an effort to understand this value in women.
దేశమును కూడాను హస్తగతము గావించుకునేటువంటి శక్తి కలిగినటువంటి స్త్రీలు ఈ స్త్రీలు.
These women are those who can really do such things in the world.
స్త్రీలు కేవలం సామాన్యమైనటువంటి యొక్క బానిసలుగా భావిస్తున్నారు అనేక మంది పురుషులు.
Men think that women are just subordinate to them.
కాదు.
It's not so.
వారు తలంచినప్పుడు జగత్తునే ఒక మూట మాదిరి కట్టగలరు.
When they just think they can just bundle up the world.
అటువంటి శక్తి సామర్థ్యములు కలిగినటువంటి స్త్రీలను మనం ఈనాడు చులకన చేయటం చేతనే మన గతి ఈ విధంగా మారిపోతున్నది.
It's because we are belittling such women who can do such tremendous tasks. The world has come to this state
స్త్రీలు
today.
సాధించలేనిటువంటిది లేదు లోకంలో.
There is nothing that a woman cannot achieve.
అలాంటి స్త్రీల యొక్క తత్వమును మనం దినము కూడాను గుర్తించి వారికి తగినటువంటి ఉత్సాహములు కూడాను కల్పించి వారికి తగినటువంటి సమాజం లోపల తోడ్పాటు గావించాలి.
Recognizing this quality in woman, we will have to give her support and try to encourage her and see that she becomes the pillar in
అలాంటి
society.
ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ ఏమాత్రము చేయటం లేదు స్త్రీలకు.
The women do not get encouragement at all.
ఏదైనా ఒక సత్సంగంలో ప్రవేశించినారా అంటే ఈ పురుషులకు దానిపైన కోపం కలుగుతుంది.
If they go to satsang, the men become angry.
వారి స్వార్థము, వారి స్వప్రయోజనముకి మాత్రమే ప్రయత్నిస్తున్నారు, కానీ స్త్రీల వల్ల జగత్తునికి ఎంత ఉపకారం కలుగుతుంది, ఎంత పవిత్రమైనటువంటి మార్గం ఏర్పడుతుంది అనేటువంటి సత్యాన్ని వారు గుర్తించుకోలేకపోతున్నారు.
They are only thinking of their own selfishness or the self-comfort. They are not able to realize that through women alone that society can progress into
చాలా వరకు స్త్రీల యందు స్వార్థరహితమైనటువంటి హృదయం ఉంటుంటుంది.
Women have got a heart which is devoid of selfishness.
దయా ప్రేమల చేత వారి హృదయం నిండి ఉంటుంది.
Their heart is full of compassion and kindness.
The Lord of the universe is here. Swami Satya Sai is here. Come to save devotees everywhere. Come to bless his children everywhere. Born at Buddha Party. The Lord of the universe is here. Calm and tranquil like the moon, shining with divine inner light, filling all with bliss at his side. He is always loving those in need, answering
the love we share in spread its wings, fly across the earth and bring new joy to every soul that is alive. May the love we share in spread its wings, fly across the earth and bring new joy to every soul that is alive. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. May all the beings in all the worlds be happy. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. May all the beings in all the worlds be happy. May the blessings of your grace, my Lord, shine on everyone, and may we all see the light within, the light within. May the blessings of your grace, my Lord, shine on everyone, and may we all see the light within, the light within. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. May all the beings in all the worlds be happy. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. May all the beings in all the worlds be happy. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. May all the beings in all the worlds be happy. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Bolo Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba Ji ki Jai.
Paramam Pavitram Baba Vibhutim, Paramam Vichitram Leela Vibhutim, Paramartham Ishtartham Moksha Pradhanam, Baba Vibhutim Idhavasrayami. Paramam Pavitram Baba Vibhutim, Paramam Vichitram Leela Vibhutim, Paramartham Ishtartham Moksha Pradhanam, Baba Vibhutim Idhavasrayami. Paramam Pavitram Baba Vibhutim, Paramam Vichitram Leela Vibhutim, Paramartham Ishtartham Moksha Pradhanam, Baba Vibhutim Idhavasrayami.
Om Sai साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ 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 साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।